Hey bakers, I'm Kristen from Wicked Goodies, and in this video I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's inside gingerbread house dough recipe and baking instructions. This kit comes with a 25-page ebook, 5 video tutorials, a printable recipe for my gingerbread house dough, and a printable paper template for this shape. In the videos, I provide all kinds of tips for designing, creating, and coding your own custom gingerbread house templates for both small and large structures. I share the 2 keys to making the kind of gingerbread house dough that yields flat, even pieces. I talk about the science of gluten and how this affects the performance of gingerbread house dough. Then I show how to mix, roll, cut, bake, and cool house parts for optimal results. For more advanced bakers, I show how to emboss and overlay patterns into your parts to make 3D effects. Here are some photos of amazing award-winning structures made by readers of the first edition of this ebook. Based on valuable feedback that I received in response to that edition, I have revised the recipe and added video content, so this ebook is new and improved. This book is the first in a series. If you are interested in getting my royal icing recipes and learning all my best tricks for decorating and assembling gingerbread houses, you can find that information in book number 2, Gingerbread House Decoration and Construction. I've included the link for that below.